This app was important because we really wanted to mitigate the spread of COVID-19 in our community.
We expected this pandemic would be over relatively quickly. Oh, that was not exactly the way it rolled out. All economic activity ceased and we were sheltering in place. Really nervous about the fate of our businesses and of course our community, suffering health impacts, but also economic impacts.
When COVID hit, it wasn't a wildfire, it wasn't a flood, it wasn't smoke, it was just another disaster that the business community was willing to kind of take on.
So we had essential workers, we had essential businesses, and these people were really concerned about their health. How can you assess yourself before you're going into work? We decided we should do an app.
It's important to note that Sonoma County was the first county to invest in technology and roll out the SoCo COVID-19 Health Check app.
This app allows employers and employees to safely screen themselves for COVID on a daily basis prior to going into work.
So they could go through the symptoms, identify possible exposure, take their temperature, answer the questions, and either be advised to check with their primary care physician based on the answers, or to go ahead and go in to report to work.
Knowing that the people that you're sitting next to or working with side by side are healthy was paramount in the minds of the employees coming back into the workplace.
It was the county, it was the county leadership, it was the county IT, ISD department, it was IBM, all of us working together in this very collaborative manner.
We were able to drive that app experience for the user down to 30 seconds.
It's so user-friendly and it's so quick and easy.
You download it, there's no personally identifiable information, so it's totally HIPAA compliant.
We were anonymizing the data and tracking business types and zip codes.
We could look at any day to see what percentage of people had screened negative and were able to go to work, and then how many potentially needed to go for medical appointments.
The success of what you see there is actually borne out by the statistics when you look at it.
Over 1 million uses of this application by 3,300 employees, 997 businesses.
And the really great thing about this app is it's also adaptable for any future situations that we have.
It puts the power back in our hands and it helps us to navigate through this pandemic in a way that's safe.